Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Loretta Sechua. As you already know guys, today's video we are making donuts. So if you're here and you don't know how to prepare donuts, please watch this video to an end and you will know how to make donuts at home. So if today it's your first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on the video, okay? Yes, so this is the easier way to prepare donuts at home. I mean homemade. Yes, so guys, let's start. I have my yeast, sugar, salt, milk, egg. So you stir till everything combined. A very quick stir. Because on today's video I have more work to do at home, so I decided to make everything together. So here I add my flour, so I use my hands to beat it. So here I add 30 grams of butter. And I'm beating the dough, sir. And you can leave it for 45 minutes. When you leave it for 45 minutes, yes, so after the 45 minutes, I came back to check and beat it again. Yes, so after everything, then I add 1 teaspoon of oil to make it to make the dough looks nice. Yes, so after adding it, you see the way the surface looks like. So it's very easy and this is a very quick way to make it. Yes, so after everything, because I have something different to do, I left it for 1 hour, and after 1 hour I came back to check and it's done. You see, so I'm just making it. I'm beating it again, beating. Yes, but here I was tired, so I decided to fold it to cut. And I divided everything into small pieces so that it will be very easy for me to But sorry guys, because I'm just making it at home, I don't have the cutter for donuts, so I decided to use a lid of my honey. So after everything, I cover it for 5 minutes to rest, then I bring it to fry. So here is my donuts. So guys, you can practice this donut at home for your family, for your kids. Okay, thank you for watching my video to an end. I know you will practice it at home. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my video, like and comment on the video as well, because the comments need more. So I want, I need a comment. I need a comment about this video. Okay, so guys, I love you, and I always love you for what you always done for me. I appreciate it so much for watching my videos. I love you all, and I'll always love you. So our donut is set, and I'm garnishing it. Bye guys.